to another video. This is Means. If you haven't already, checked below. Check out some of my videos. I post frequently, I'd say. I'm just gonna say I post frequently. That's what we're doing in 2021. But hopefully you all have clicked on this video because you've seen the wonderful title. It's how to basically get the best NAICS code, and I always mispronounce this, you guys, so very bad. But it is known as an SIC or NAICS code, okay? So in the last couple months, I've been building my business, and of course that takes time, consistency, and presence for your business on a daily basis. If you guys are in, the process of building businesses, or you're looking for funding for your business, and you're looking to grow credibility with your business, this is the video for you, okay? But I wanted to kind of give you guys some information about building business credit and the best possible position for you beauty business owners that are trying to grow, okay? So now that we're amongst 2021, there's going to be a lot of things that you guys are going to want to see out for your business, and sometimes you need extra funding. Maybe you don't want to put the funding all on your own and in your own name. Maybe you want your business to hold that name. So building business credit really helps you kind of facilitate, engage in between putting things in your personal name for your business and entity to grow, and more of a independent basis where you're building business credit to personal guarantee itself. So I had been going through a couple applications and structuring things, and I probably will make a couple other videos in the comments, well, not in the comments, but like my playlists and things like that for future use. But I wanted to give you guys some ideas on what SIC or NAICS codes would be best for building business credit for a beauty related business. Sometimes Experian or Dun & Bradstreet will automatically kind of pre-fill those codes, so that when you're applying for credit, you want to make sure that it has the exact code that's needed, so that you can, of course, be gauged a lot lower in risk, okay? So sometimes when we set up an account with Dun & Bradstreet, we set up a Dun & Bradstreet number, there can be that code that's pre-filled and on your business credit report that will remain, okay? So we don't want Dun & Bradstreet to choose the code for us. Sometimes we want to pick the code on our own so that we can look the most credible and less risk. So if you guys have an opportunity to, the best suggestion that I would say for you is to download an app called NAV, and I'll show you guys what that looks like on my phone here. It's called NAV. Okay, it's taking my, but this is what it looks like. NAV, if you can see that. It's called NAV, and so on this app, you can link your business credit to check on it on a consistent basis. So if you're building your business credit and you're like, hey, where am I at? What scores do I have? What am I generating here? Download NAV. It's going to actually link your business credit to your profile so that you can see more information about how you look in front of lenders. If you're going against your own personal bank, and you're looking to get business credit built, and you need some more funding, and you want to, ask the bank for funding, this is the opportunity to move forward with. And the best possible seat forward is making sure you have the appropriate SIC code / NAICS code, okay? Now, another thing that I wanted to kind of tell you guys about too is not only does Dun & Bradstreet generate the pre-filled codes or the SIC or NAICS codes, but so does Experian and so does Equifax. So you want to get in contact with those guys, file a dispute if possible. You can file disputes on, I'm going to give you the website here. You can file a dispute, and you can also check out Experian directly, Equifax directly, and Dun & Bradstreet directly. So those are the routes that I took. I just contacted them directly. I said I wanted to file a dispute because I do see that as I'm building business credit, the codes were generated incorrectly. They were pre-filled. So I went amongst all other things and I provided a code. If you're looking for the best low risk code for business or building business credit, I would suggest just looking at all of the codes that are pre-generated, but 454110 is the code that could help your business grow. So honey, another thing that, you know, business credit is heavily weighed upon is sales and transactions. So you want to make sure that your sales and your transactions are intact. So I know that's really simple to say, but harder to do. But throughout all of that, I want you guys to use your minds, be smart, and think smart about how building sales and making sales is going to help you and your business grow. The biggest tool that I have used throughout building credit, business credit for myself and my business has been honestly Facebook groups. So I hope that code helped you all out. There are plenty other codes that are available if you have a business that is similar to mine, but try and find the one that's at low risk, okay? That's the key. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or updates for building your business credit and what happens after you change your code, in which I've gave you, comment below. Comment below. I'd love to hear what you all have to say. Thanks again for watching another video from me, bgcmeans. Check out my Instagram. Check out my YouTube channel and all of the videos, of course, because there is a playlist that will be added in here. Like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys. Wait till the next one.